Having started their journey in 2017, NKR Academy Digital Solutions have gone on to become one of the most trusted and best digital marketing agency in Kolkata. We have delivered multiple solutions across web design, digital marketing, social media marketing, graphics design, and search engine optimization to different business verticals with exceptional results. We have tailor-made solutions across multiple business verticals like educations, restaurants, travel agency, real estate agents, e-commerce, diagnostics, and polyclinic, etc. All these solutions include complete end-to-end solution, including dynamic and responsive websites, Facebook business page, Google My Business listing and optimization, website on-page SEO and local SEO using Google My Business. We have also helped businesses promote themselves using Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and YouTube ads. All these ads are based on geographic interest and user behavior-based targeting to optimize ad conversion and maximize the return on investment. We are also offering custom solutions for inventory, POS, billing and invoice management for all kinds of businesses including medical stores, electronic store and fashion stores. We are experts in business process automation using chatbots and messenger bots. This can significantly reduce the cost of operation for any business. This kind of automation will also improve the customer experience and customer service at the same time, resulting in more leads and sales. We also help businesses in brand promotions using brand merchandise, digital photography, videography, business cards, banners, and ad creative designing service. We also provide them 2D and 3D explainer videos, slideshow videos, doodle videos, animated explainer videos, and professional voiceover to promote their products and services. All these solutions are extremely affordable and really valuable for your business. If you are a dynamic business owner who is looking to stand out of your competition by taking advantage of the latest trends and techniques in digital marketing, then look no further. Check the link below in this video to order a free business consultancy or ask for a free quotation.